When Chevrolet sent out a telegram to automotive journalists that the Society for the Eradication of Panthers from the Automotive World would hold its first and last meeting on June 28, 1966, nobody knew what the hell was going on. As it turns out, the Panther was the code name for the development of the coupe that would become the 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. And the telegram was a strange bit of intriguing humor to build excitement for the upcoming pony car. Today's announcement of the collector's edition of the 2024 model marks brings a bit of the Camaro's earliest lore back by using the Panther name once more, while the 2024 Camaro collector's edition will be a celebration of the first car that took the fight to the iconic Ford Mustang. It will also carry several features from the 2024 ZL1 and 1LE packages to make this more than just a decal, paint, and badge package. The collector's edition will be available on the LT, RS, LT1, and SS trims with a unique paint job, Panther Black Metallic Tint Coat. These trims will also get satin black accent stripes, 20-inch satin black or optional polished forged wheels, a 1LE front splitter, and the ZL1 rear spoiler on coupe versions. These trims will be powered by a 3.6-liter V6 or the 6.2-liter LT1 V8. This will also be the only way to get something from the 1LE package on anything below the SS and ZL1. The ZL1 Collector's Edition gets a first for the Camaro in using the Panther Matte Black. Matte colors have never been offered from the factory on the Camaro before, so the ZL1 will be a unique vehicle in the history of the car. Like the lower-trimmed Collector's Edition Camaros, it will also get the 1LE front spoiler and the ZL1 rear wing on coupe bodies, but will get a unique black metallic ZL1 stripe, red brake calipers, and black lug nuts on its wheels. Of course, power will come from the 650 horsepower, 6.2-liter supercharged LT4 V8. The Collector's Edition ZL1 will also be limited to 350 models, and each will receive a serialized steering wheel badge. Further, every Collector's Edition ZL1 will come with a bespoke Canfield Sport 45mm watch from Shinola with a serial number that matches the badge and will feature Panther motifs. All Camaro Collector's Editions will also receive unique front fender script badging that integrates a Panther into the R. Inside, the steering wheel will have a Panther badge on the steering wheel, while the floor mats will have a unique, laser-etched aluminum Collector's Edition logo to go along with unique black interior trim and treatments. Finally, as part of the welcome kit, Chevrolet will include a pair of posters with every Camaro Collector's Edition. One will commemorate every generation of the Camaro, while the other will be of the 2024 Camaro Collector's Edition. Price and availability of the LT, RS, LT1, and SS trim and the price of the ZL1 version of this special and final edition of the Camaro haven't been announced yet. However, the standard 2024 Chevrolet Camaro will be available for order from your Chevrolet dealer on June 15 and starts at $33,890 for the LT Coupe and $39,890 for the LT Convertible.